Hello everyone, once again, and welcome back to another AFI $1,000 giveaway. Today we will be testing our contestants' understanding of time. The game is simple. They will hit this button right here, and then they will wait for what they believe to be 10 seconds. Once they believe 10 seconds has passed, they will hit the button again, and we will see how close they were to the actual time. Whoever gets closest wins, and the entrant that they represent will win $1,000 worth of fragrance from the AFI store. So, let's get into it.
What is it? That was awful!
Hey, I'm Nick. Sounds moving fast to me. Alrighty.
My Mississippis were too slow.
Miraculously, somehow Nick and Izzy have both gotten their scores the exact distance away from the goal. So we're gonna have a second round.
Second chance. Let me get this fragrance for you. Way too fast.
Round two. Should've had my hand up.
And with that, we have a winner. Izzy, congratulations. You have the best reaction time out of anybody here at AFI. How does it feel?
It feels great. It's just a lot of Mississippis.
Exactly. And because of that reaction time, that means you've won your entrant $1,000 worth of fragrance from the AFI store.
It's always a good day when one of y'all gets your hands on some fragrance. If I could recommend anything, it would be our version of Young Bougie Marshmallow by Kayali. It's one of my favorites.
Good recommendation. All right, well, thank you very much for participating, and thank you very much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share. Be sure to come back for another AFI $1,000 giveaway real soon. We'll see you next time. Goodbye. I got really close. I got super close.